we have the machine. This is a popular demand of how to sew buba, the men's top. You see, we have gotten the embroidery to it. You know, I told you when I was cutting it in the part 1, we were taking it for embroidery. Okay, this is a fine embroidery. So you're going to put a piece here to cover it for the button. So you just need about 8 inches. You double it and then sew it under this way. Just bring about half an inch out. Then you sew it. So after that, the next thing we are going to sew the chest pocket. Okay. Okay, the next thing is the chest pocket. I measure it from the shoulder. I measure 9 inches. Okay, and then from the middle of the button side, I measure 2. Then I place my chest pocket there. And remember, all I need for the measurement of the chest pocket is 5.5 by 5.5. It depends on how you want it to be, how big you want it. Okay, so you pin it so that it can be stable. Fold about half an inch inside. The wideness, you make it 5 inches. Then the length will be 5.5. It's a popular demand. Our people are requesting for how it is sewn. Okay. This one is there. I'm going for 5. After the pocket, we're going to fit the sleeve. Okay, this is the sleeve. Of course, the embroidery has already been done. I told us we're going to cut a piece of cloth like this. There are 2 ways you can do it. If you like, I use this one. If you like, you might not use this one, but I will use this one. And the one without this one, I will show us later. Just measure 3 by 3. It's a square. Then you look at the way you place it. Place it this way, one edge of the, because of the people requesting for it, let's watch very carefully. After joining on one edge like that, we need 9 inches. We need 18 inches divided by 2, 9. So you measure your 9. then join it. So look at the way it's going to be joined up here. So do it like this and form your notch here. You'll be joining your notch here to the edge of the shoulder. So this is the shoulder where you notched. Pin it so that it doesn't shake. Trace it down this way. This is the little piece we join. So your sewing will start from there. Then you run it through. So this way, you end it this way. Then you join the side of the main body of the buba. Just take half an inch. You run your stitch and then leave about 8 inches. Leave about 8 inches. That's where you're going to tape. It serves as a free, so that the cloth is not too tight on the person. Inches are left, you tape it. I will do the exact thing to the second side too. Okay, then after that I fix the pockets. Okay, and I haven't fixed the sleeve and the joining of the side. The next thing is fixing of the pockets. So from the shoulder I measured 23 inches. Then I place my pockets on it. pin it together and run my stitch. Okay, this one will be, this will be 8 inches by 8 inches. Okay, so you run your stitches through. Okay, let's go. Now see that the side pocket is already fixed now. I will do the same thing to the second side too, and then tape according to the size of the length of your cloth. And lo and behold, the buba is ready. Thanks for watching. Here is a completed buba. This is the sleeve, the chest pocket. Okay, the side pocket is popularly demanded for, and that's why we brought it today. So, hope with this you find it helpful. Don't forget to give us thumb up. Yeah. If you need your embroidery work, we're also available for it. Okay, thank you.